Hello guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Love, today I have come to share with you amazing interesting topic and I want you to pay a very good attention. Yes, I welcome you all. In today's video I am going to be discussing with you or teaching you an easiest method in which you can use to destroy your enemies coming in form of bird in your house, coming in form of mosquitoes, cockroach, just to monitor. If you have been facing this evil bird early in the morning, whenever you wake up, you always see bird on your window. In the night, you see mosquito. No matter how you try to eradicate the mosquito or the flies, strange flies, all these big flies, yet it seems like all the effort that you are putting to eradicate them completely out from your house, they are not working. I have come today with a new interesting amazing recipe on what you can do to eradicate them by the special grace of God. But before I go into that teaching, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys, may God Almighty bless you. And to my new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate your love and your support. Okay, please, after watching, kindly subscribe to this channel and also make sure that you share my videos. Please like this video after watching. Okay, you can drop your comment under the comment section. As you do so, may God Almighty bless you. Now we are going to be discussing on how we can eradicate an evil bird coming in form of monitoring spirit. We all know that whenever the evil ones want to monitor you, they can use any means to monitor you. They can use animals such as rats, such as such as birds, such as cockroach, and even flies. You see all these big flies fetching up and down in your house. Don't take it for granted. Some of them are for monitoring, especially when you are doing a particular prayer or when you are into a spiritual assignment just to liberate yourself. That is when you normally see them coming around. They are coming to monitor. They are coming to give your information out there to your enemies, just to use it to do what? To destroy and to know what you are doing. Because when they get to find out what you are doing, they will just go ahead and spoil that spiritually, so that whatever you are doing against them will not work. A lot of people are facing this today in their spiritual life, in their spiritual walk. All this DIY recipe that we always put here, and it seems like they are not working. That is because they have their monitoring agents monitoring you using animals. Now, if you want to eradicate them totally, both the one they always send on your ceiling, you will hear one kind of strange noise in your ceiling, like boom, like as if somebody just dropped a bomb or somebody just dropped a stone on your ceiling, and you are wondering, when you come out of your house and look around, you will not see anybody. They have thrown that just to monitor you. All right, now if you have been facing such, this is what you need to do. Number one ingredient that are going to help me to get is what you need to get. This, okay, you need to get this. This is, we call it camphor. Okay, you need this. You need it like 14 pieces of it. You also need alligator pepper. This tiny Igbo alligator pepper. This one is Igbo alligator pepper. Okay, you need this particular type. Okay, these tiny ones, you need it. So when you get this one, you are to do what? You are to open it from the back and then collect all the seed inside. Okay, that's number two ingredient. Number three ingredient is what? Our kerosene. You need a kerosene. We all know what kerosene is all about. You need a kerosene. So how will you make use of all those things? Now you have to do this at the hour of 11:30 in the night, and as early as 5:30 a.m. you will also repeat the same thing. Now how will you do this? You are to grind this camphor, okay, and this alligator pepper, one or the whole bond, grind it together, and then you put it inside your kerosene. Okay, put it inside your kerosene and read Psalm 35 on it. Then early in the morning, when you wake up from the sleep, like around the hour of 5:30 a.m., you know, they normally come within that 6 and 7 o'clock a.m. So use it to do what? To sprinkle on your window gently, and then under your ceiling you sprinkle it. Then at the four corners of your house you sprinkle it. Remember, I say I'm going to read Psalm 35 on it. Then in the night, before you sleep around the hour of after 11 to 12, do the same thing by sprinkling it at every corner of your house, like all the house edges. Then you put it on all your windows, and also go outside and then sprinkle this the whole of your ceiling. And let me tell you, see, just watch how you're going to sleep like a baby that night. Watch all these evil birds crying at night. You will no longer hear them. You understand? All these evil mosquitoes, cockroach coming in. When you do this by the special grace of God, you will not see them any longer. In the morning, you do it. You do the same thing again. All right. Continue repeating it for like 7 days, and I'll tell you, in fact, they will never cross your house again to the rest of their life. They will never send their monitoring agents using animals to come and monitor, to spy you, to know what you are doing. All right. So guys, this works very perfectly. It works very effective. Do not take it for granted. But what bothers me, and what at times make me feel so bothered about my subscribers and viewers, some of you do see my notification, but you don't watch the videos. Why? You don't watch these videos. I know that some of you will be saying, are you the one buying data for us? But me, I am buying data to upload the video to you, so that enemies will not be rejoicing, so that enemies will not have room to destroy our destiny. Some will see the notification, they will not watch. Some, when they even watch, they will not like, they will not leave comments, they will not even subscribe. Is it good? Meaning that you are telling the person that is putting that content to stop putting the content that you don't need it, whereas inside you need it. You need it. You are suffering from all this spiritual manipulation and affliction. But when we put content nobody watches, they will see the notification, they will ignore. That is too bad. We are always spending every day 3,000 naira to put content so that you will watch. If there is any problem, spiritual problem that is surrounding you, just try it with faith. Try it with your faith, and you see it working. Akwana wo ndị Igbo trilu si na wo ekele onye akide na nke ogwara agwụ megini okotokwa ọzọ ekene onye akide na nke ogwara agwụ ike adị megini ịkwọta ọzọ. We are living in a wicked world. So many things are happening. You need all those things to wage war against your enemies together with your prayers. Nobody stops you from praying. Prayers is good. In fact, when you are doing all those things, it is highly recommended spiritually that you back it up with prayer. That is when you see the effective of what you are doing quickly. Some of you don't care. Some will say, make I come to watch you, not me come to get money. Let me tell you, YouTube are not paying us much. Most of you that are watching us, your monthly salary are more than what YouTube are paying us. But you just choose, make I come to watch you tomorrow, now you come and be showing us your car or this or that. It is a lie. If I tell you how much they used to pay me in a month, you will laugh tire. In fact, whenever I put content, you will come and watch and then support me. But that is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is this. Please and please, if you have subscribed, are you a part of this family? Whenever you see a video, watch. Even if it's not what is bothering you, you can share. You can like. That's where ministry will be moving on. Please, let us support ourselves. Okay? Alright. I hope you understand. Now, some people were like asking me if I want to order your product on the comment section. How will I do it? You can simply order my products, any of my products, on the WhatsApp with this number 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please, after watching, like this video. Please leave your comment on the comment section, a nice one. If you have a question, drop it at the comment section. I will personally reply you back. See you on my next video. Bye.